We're just a couple of days away from finding out the winner of IPL 2024. But while we're just talking about our IPL, we have all our eyes set on T20 World Cup as well. Now, if you look at this year's IPL, then I found out a very interesting information for all of you. And that is about how the combinations worked out for Kolkata Knight Riders and Sunrisers Hyderabad, the top two teams in IPL 2024, and how neither KKR nor SRH have any players who are a part of India's T20 World Cup squad. Yes, you heard me right, that the Indian team, which will be going to the US and Caribbean for the T20 World Cup, they don't have any players who are playing for KKR and SRH in this season. The two teams who have been the most successful this year. Now, Kolkata Knight Riders do have Rinku Singh, but Rinku Singh is in the reserves of Team India. He's not a part of the entire full squad of Team India. Now, this raises a lot of questions. The first big question is that did BCCI consider seniority and the impact of players higher than the form of players? Because if you see the recent form of players like Abhishek Sharma, Rinku Singh, then they both are performing really well, and both of the players are not in India's T20 World Cup squad. Especially, I'll talk about Abhishek Sharma. He hasn't played more than 30 balls in single match, and still he has most number of runs for Sunrisers Hyderabad. If you see Rinku Singh, then he has done the job for Team India. T. Natarajan, we talk about Sunrisers Hyderabad's team. Then Varun Chakravarti has done really well from KKR's side. So all these players did really well, but none of these players got a chance to be in India's T20 World Cup squad. For example, if we talk about the team which has the most number of T20 World Cup bound players is Mumbai Indians. They have 4 players: Suryakumar Yadav, Rohit Sharma, the captain; Hardik Pandya, the vice captain of the Indian team; and Jasprit Bumrah. And out of all these 4 players, only Jasprit Bumrah did a great job in IPL 2024. Apart from Bumrah, none of the other players from Mumbai Indians did something exceptional in this tournament. For example, if we talk about Rohit Sharma, then he has more than 400 runs in this IPL, and after 2017, this is the first time that he has scored more than 400 runs. Hardik Pandya had a very disappointing run in this season. He has a strike rate of around 140, and he was very disappointing with the ball as well. He bowled with an economy of more than 10.75 to be precise. Suryakumar Yadav also went back cheaply in a number of games. He didn't even score a single run in a couple of games, so to say. So all the T20 World Cup bound players didn't have a good run in this IPL. If you talk about Delhi Capitals also had 3 players which have been included in T20 World Cup squad. One is Kuldeep Yadav, then there is Akshar Patel and Rishabh Pant. Of course, Rishabh Pant did a good job, but if we talk about Akshar Patel, he also took his time to get into that groove in this IPL. So if we look at India's T20 World Cup squad, and if we look at the top 2 teams in IPL, then there is no match between the two, because in IPL 2024 we saw how players performed. A certain Abhishek Sharma, and then Nitish Reddy is one player who's been performing really well, and none of these players were even considered in the reserves for T20 World Cup. So if we draw an outcome of this result, then it actually comes out to a point where it highlights that the recent form wasn't given much weightage while selecting the T20 World Cup squad. Also, if I talk about the other players in the T20 World Cup squad, then very few did a good job in the later stages of IPL. Shivam Dube, after he was included in the T20 squad, he wasn't performing well for the Chennai Super Kings side, and there are a lot many other players. There's usually Chahal as well, and Chahal also had on and off time at one point for the Rajasthan Royals side. The Rajasthan Royals have reached the qualifier 2 stage, but apart from that, if you look at Sunrisers Hyderabad and Kolkata Knight Riders, so all the players in these 2 teams haven't been included in T20 World Cup squad. If you look at Australia's squad, then Jake Fraser McGurk, who wasn't included in Australia's squad, he has now been included as an extra player who will be travelling with the Australian side. So he's been included as a travelling reserve, which means that Australian team also gave weightage to JFM's performance in this big tournament like IPL, whereas the Indian cricket team didn't give much weightage to the recent form of players.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स
या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म।
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।